How to block someone in Reddit. If you have been using the Reddit application and wondering on how to block someone on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the Reddit application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now here you can find your feed just right here. Now to block someone, simply tap onto the search bar just right here and simply search for the person who you want to just block, just like this. Then tap onto his profile. Then here you can find 3 dot lines at the top, just right here, select it. Then here you can find block account, just right here. Now tap on it and simply tap on to yes, block. And now you can see that person has been blocked. And that's it. This is how you can block someone in Reddit. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.